Четвертый класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Лучшие моменты в жизни. Страница 104, 106, 107. English. Spotlight for homework. The best of times. Page number 104, 106, 107. Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. We begin our English lesson. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you, I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 104, 104. Arthur plus Rascal. Episode number 6. Артур и Раскал. Repeat after me. Arthur, Cookie. There's something wrong with Trixie. I bucked at her, but she didn't move. Maybe she's sleeping. No, look, she just turned around. Let's go and see. Hey, Trixie. What's wrong? Go away, I'm busy. Arthur, what are they? Trixie, are they all yours? They're kittens, Rascal. Oh. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 106, 106. At the best of times. We must do exercise number 1. Listen and point. Then read. Лучшие моменты в жизни. Слушайте и следите по картинкам, а затем прочитайте. They were the best of times. They really, really were. I went to a big museum and saw the dinosaurs there. I danced all night at a concert. I stayed up very late. I went to a famous fun fair. The rides were really great. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 107, 107. Exercise number 2. Listen and read. Послушайте и прочитайте. The answer. What was your best time this year, children? I had a big birthday party at O'Donnell's. It was great. I went to a big museum and I saw the dinosaurs. Miss Hart, what was your best time? Now let me think. I met the nicest children in the school. Look, here they are. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Read again and choose. Lulu's best time was at the museum fun fair. Прочитайте диалог еще раз и выберите правильное слово. The answer. Lulu's best time was at the museum. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.